In this video, we're going to learn about the menu. First, we'll navigate to the menu section where we can see 4 categories. We have Menu, under which we have Item and Category. Let's take a look at Category. After clicking on Category, the first step is to select a specific store. The list generated is based on the delivery type. Since Sushi Restaurant is the selected option, all menus from stores categorized under the sushi restaurant type appear. We'll select Dear Osaka, and then all the categories added by this store become visible. By clicking on any category, we can edit various details, such as the category name, and we can also change the category image by uploading a new image. There's the option to add or remove subcategories. For example, I can remove a subcategory and then easily add it back. Additionally, we can change the sequence number and control whether the item is visible to the user. If the toggle is on, users can see the lunch category. If it's off, they cannot. Lastly, we have category timing, which allows us to set specific times for each category. For instance, on the Mondays, we can ensure that the lunch category only appears between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. rather than all day. Once the time frame ends, the category will vanish from the menu. This enables users to see and update any details right here. Similarly, we have Items here. From the menu, we will navigate to Items. We can now see the subcategory added by the store, which includes burgers, sushi, and pizza. We have the option to edit any of the details of the subcategory. For this example, let's look at pizza. We can see the name of the item and its sequence number. We can also check if the subcategory is visible to users. If the toggle is off, users will not be able to see the subcategory and all the items added in this subcategories. However, by turning on the toggle and hitting the Submit button, users will be able to see the pizza subcategory. Next, we can edit any of the items. Let's select Big Mac for demonstration. We observe that the item name and the price are editable. Additionally, we can add any tags that have not been added by the store merchant on this item. Admin can also change the subcategory of the item and can check the description of the item. We have 2 important toggles to note. Is item visible to user and in stock? If the item visibility toggle is off, then this item will not appear for users. Conversely, if the toggle is on, it will be visible to users in the menu. Regarding stock, if the toggle is off, it indicates that the item is out of stock and cannot be ordered slash viewed by users. Toggle, we ensure that the item is available for order. Additionally, we can adjust the sequence number. After making the necessary adjustments, we will click on Next to proceed. The admin can add any extra images of the burger, and they can select a default image for the product to appear on the user's website. Upon selecting an image, click on Add, upload the chosen image, and then hit the Confirm button. As you can see, the burger image has been added successfully. Next, by clicking on Customize, you will note that the store has already added a modifier called Add Once, where we will click on Edit. Within this section, you can observe the modifier type is Select Range, and we have specified that the user can select a minimum of 0 and a maximum of 2 modifiers, since 2 have been added, and the modifier sequence number is set to 0. Another feature is the option for users to add multiple quantities of a modifier. By selecting this toggle, users can add multiple fries and Coke to their cart. Moving on to Associate Modifier, this will not be activated by default, as it only functions when multiple associate modifiers are added. This feature will be covered in a separate video. Here, you have the option to Select All or choose individual items from the modifier section, where you can also edit and change the item's pricing. After completing the details, click on Update and then Save. The item image has been uploaded and the changes have been made successfully. To verify, go to the Images section, and you'll see the added image. Next, navigate to the Menu section, where we find the Modifier category, where modifications added can be viewed. You can choose to edit any of these and alter any details. For instance, the modifier category could be Sizey, with options such as small, medium, and large, with respective values of 0, 10, and 25. Please note that an admin can edit any details shown in the Modifier category menu. We do not want to change any details at this moment, and the last feature to mention is the courier service, which has been explained in another video. So this is how the menu section appears in the admin panel. We can see that any details or menus from any stores that have been added can be edited by the admin to make appropriate changes.